Now what we do is that in the previous class, I told you to make mental points before you speak, right?
Yeah.
Now what we do is
Yeah.
we have those mental points. Now we will connect all of them and make a sentence that is completely consolidate without any
Yeah.
full stops, without any pauses. How
Yeah.
do we do that? Okay,
Yeah.
we do that by the help of something called conjunctions. I will also
Yeah.
put the word in the chat for you.
Yeah.
Here you go. Conjunctions. Now,
Yeah.
what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are basically connectors. Okay. So I have one sentence which is a good sentence and it is understandable on its own. Then I have another sentence, also a good sentence, also understandable on its own. I connect these two and I put a conjunction in between them. Then these two sentences will together make a new sentence. How?
Okay. Yeah.
How does that happen? Suppose I say, I woke up in the morning.
Yeah.
Okay, this is one sentence. I was thirsty. I drank water. Okay, this is another sentence. Two sentences now we have. Now I will, and these two can be your mental points also. Now I will join these two sentences together. I woke
Yeah.
up in the morning, but I was thirsty. So I drank water. Now it is all
Yeah.
connected and streamlined together. Okay,
Okay.
so conjunctions are basic. Now I'll give you some examples of conjunctions. Conjunctions
Yeah.
are words like and, but, so,
Yeah.
therefore,
Yeah.
then,
Yeah.
we use
Yeah.
all of them to put flow into our sentences.
Yeah.
And that is how we come off as more intellectual and more confident.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so if you go to Google today and you type
Yeah.
conjunctions, you will find a big list of words. You don't have to memorize it at all. All you have to do is go through it.
Yeah.
Read 5 to 6 words, see which ones you like, which ones you can use more in your daily life based on your experience, and just
Yeah.
keep them in your practice.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. Uh,
So, how was your day today? What did you do today?
I have practiced a lot. I have record 2 or 3 clippings, as you said earlier, audio clips, as well as I made video clippings also, and
Mm-hmm.
I saw it where I am and how it works,
Yes,
uh,
how it works.
how it works, and after that I have done with you.
Definitely. I can see
But
the
it's
effect of all this
but
effort. Yes, yes, yes.
but it's very useful to all of the students, only for me. I forget about other students, but so whatever you have told yesterday, it's very very useful, I think.
I am so happy I was able to help you out through all of this. All right. So the thing is with today, you don't have any tenses with you. Okay, tense
Yeah.
is basically present tense, perfect tense because you are very fluent in it. I saw that yesterday. Okay,
Yeah.
we had vocabulary, but this vocabulary was also very like we had what is a fish, what is an octopus, what is a mermaid, what is underwater. I
Yeah.
am sure you know
Yeah.
all of these as well. But however,
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
found one word which I really want you to make a sentence on. Very, very good
Yeah.
word. And I will put this in the chat of this class. And let's see if you know the meaning, if you can make sentences or not.
Intrigue.
The way to pronounce it is intrigue.
Intrigue.
Yes,
Intrigue.
I will put the pronunciation in
What's
the chat as well.
intrigue? What's the
Oh, wait,
meaning?
sorry. Intrigue. The second one is
Intrigue.
correct. I missed the R in the first one. Yes. Intrigue. So, intrigue means when something interests you a lot, it catches your attention. You want to know
Yeah.
more about it. Okay. That is intrigue. So, for example, when you must be young, the field of law must have intrigued you a lot. That is why it caught your attention. That is why you like to do it. You know?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that is intrigue. When I was a kid, I was very intrigued by computers.
Yeah.
Okay, it caught my
Yeah.
attention and I wanted to explore it more. Okay,
Okay.
so can you make a sentence with this word?
Yeah. Uh, I am very much intrigued about the
Mhm.
rural culture.
Yes, correct, correct. Also, one more thing to be kept in mind when using intrigued is
Yeah,
that when we talk about something that interests us,
yeah,
it definitely caught our interest in the past. You know,
yeah, yeah,
like if I'm talking about computers with you today, it must have intrigued me yesterday or before in my future, right? That is why
yeah.
I was like drawn towards it. So always, or most of the time, we use this word in the past tense,
Yeah,
intrigued,
since my
ed.
childhood, I am adding, since my childhood.
Yes, since my
And
childhood is
yeah,
correct, but even then you have to say intrigued, the past tense of the verb, not the
intrigued.
present
Yeah,
tense. Yes,
yeah, yeah,
the
yeah,
ed
yeah.
in the end will come. Okay,
But but
great, great.
but one thing is there.
Yes, yes.
I have found in the last COVID situation
Mhm.
one NGO
Right. Wow, wow,
regards
wow.
regards the blinds, and I have been attached the blind two blind schools since last 6 years.
That is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. So the thing is, our session is going to cut off really soon, and I want you to tell me the name of the NGO.
Oh yeah, NFB Bengal.
Okay. I will make sure to look into it. I will make sure that my team gets to it. And if I can, I will make sure to give whatever help I can in these COVID times because
Yeah,
India
yeah.
definitely needs help. I
But we
am
are trying nowadays if they are getting their vaccination in free of cost. We are
right.
trying. We are trying our level best to get them
Exactly.
vaccinated.
It's very
Yeah,
important. The country is burning and we need help right now. Thank you so
yeah,
much for
yeah,
all
yeah.
these efforts that you put. I must say, you are a very inspiring personality. I really enjoy talking to you. And you are on the right track. Whenever you find
Yeah.
time, keep doing all these things that you do. And yeah, that's
Okay.
about it. All the best. Thank you so much for joining. Have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day to you.
Thank you. Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye bye.